Round 1. Fight!
Corporate needs you to find the differences between this picture and this picture. They're the same picture.
Not rollerblades, roller skates.
Oh, I'm so sorry. You kind of pushing with your toes?
You have to kind of push when you
Yeah,
walk.
you kind of like... No, kind of to the
sideways.
side.
You have to push sideways a little bit.
So like
I've
you kind
seen
of...
Ice Princess, okay?
Yeah,
Okay,
so you got
then
the the rough motion.
I just don't know how to do it.
Yeah.
I have really bad coordination skills.
Oh, okay.
Like,
So I wouldn't even... Why that?
It's for a costume.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So.
For about 3 minutes of video.
Not even 3 minutes.
Not even 3 minutes of video.
Ramona Flowers.
Oh, Ramona, yeah.
Because that's like the big thing of her character,
Yeah.
right? And first, I basically treated them like they were real shoes, where I was just literally learning to walk in them while holding onto a fence for support.
Oh.
Then we kind of got into more like walking and sliding as I went to kind of just create the momentum. As well as kind of just pulling myself along the fence instead of using my own body to create momentum, just to kind of get a feel of what it felt like to actually get them going. Oh my god. As well as, let's call them lessons learned prior from my dad, alongside all of the kind of uncertain and slightly judgmental looks, when I told him that I was going to be taking on this challenge. If you're gonna fall, make sure you fall forward.
Yeah, you don't want to fall backwards.
Because it's harder to stop yourself from falling, but it's
Also,
easier
your
to
head will just snap back, and you'll just be in a bad situation.
Then you're an Eminem song.
Yeah. Snap back to reality. Oh, there goes gravity. Oh, there goes Sarah.
Most of the time in this first, let's call it session, I was flailing my arms repeatedly, as well as just hanging onto a fence for dear life.
A little more oomph in the step.
I don't know if I have that. Same thing with, oh my god, almost died! Whew. Light flashed before my eyes!
Right now, Sarah is attempting to rollerblade in the yard. I mean, in the driveway.
Roller skate!
Roller
Oh my
skate.
god, it doesn't matter that.
I only found out there was a different day before yesterday, so I'm very adamant about it.
There you go.
Don't jinx it, why would you?
Don't give her positive reinforcement.
Yeah.
She gets upset.
Yeah.
Yell at her like she's not holding the flashlight super straight.
Can you hold the fucking light straight?
It actually got to a point on day one where I felt comfortable coming back like towards the camera without holding on to a post or without holding onto the fence for a couple seconds out of the travel time. Though just as abruptly as I was showing confidence in myself, I was drastically having it being taken away by seeing my life flash before my eyes. It also didn't take me long, as I've been editing this, to realize that when my confidence was coming and going, I was making very distinct little faces.
Put some more oomph in it. Oomph, oomph.
I know the people that
It's like, what's over here? Come here.
Why don't you get a rope ready? I'll pull her behind the car.
Yeah. Get a bungee cord so you get it nice and tight, and then when you hit the corner, you can pull it.
Why do they do that? Is it to pick up more speed?
Yeah.
It doesn't feel like it.
You will be if you were traveling fast. My dad was like, why is she learning to rollerblade? And I was like, well, it's roller skates. I'm like, it's for a costume. And I was like, she wants to, that's what she does. She will commit to it. And I'm like, oh, good for her. What you just did is skating. You just need to go, you put a little bit more oomph into it and you move faster. Careful.
You know, despite the amount of clips you've seen me almost eat shit, I actually never once fell on my ass, or front, but I never once actually fell down, which, considering how many clips this has been, I think that's, you know, a little something to write home about, a little pat on the back for me. And back to those faces.
Round 2. Fight!
This is me!
This is me falling.
I completely forgot how to fucking do this. Oh my god. Oh, my first one. First one where I didn't hang on to anything. Thank you, thank you. I'm here all night. Oh my god. I'm good, I'm good. I don't know if this is actual, like, sound logic or not, but I don't know why me thinking that doing the, like, derby stance was actually going to make me better, because I did it all the time. Am I getting too much confidence back?
Round 3. Fight!
I really don't want to make any other trips today, so did you not hurt yourself?
I'm not really trying to, so.
Great.
Yeah!
you high?
Only 5'4".
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Almost died. Well then, that was it for the day, and oddly enough, the last portion that I did before I actually started the Ramona Flowers video. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.